Unit 5.
Bright. Bright is an adjective. If something is bright, it gives a lot of light. The sun is bright today. Now you say the word. Bright. 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 Bright is an adjective. Something bright can also mean that something is shiny. I scrubbed the pot until it looked bright and clean. Now you say the word. Bright. Bright. Chew. Chew is a verb. When you chew something, you break it into small pieces with your teeth. I chew my food before I swallow it. Now you say the word. Chew. Chew. Flour. Flour is a noun. Flour is a powder made from grain. It is used to make bread, cakes, and pies. We put a cup of flour into the bowl with the milk and eggs. Now you say the word. Flour. Forest. Forest is a noun. A forest is a large area that has trees and plants. Deer live in the forest. Now you say the word. Forest. Forest. Hour. Hour is a noun. An hour is an amount of time. It is 60 minutes long. It takes 1 hour to bake the cake. Now you say the word. Hour. Hour. Inn. Inn is a noun. An inn is a small place where a person can eat a meal and stay for the night. It is usually in the country. After traveling all day, we stopped at an inn for the night. Now you say the word. Inn. Inn. Island. Island is a noun. An island is a piece of land with water all around it. It took the boat 2 hours to sail around the island. Now you say the word. Island. Island. Nibble. Nibble is a verb. If you nibble something, you eat it with very small bites. Rabbits nibble on carrots. Now you say the word. Nibble. Nibble. Pale. Pale is an adjective. If something is pale, it has very little color. Jason's face looks pale because he is very sick. Now you say the word. Pale. Pale. Warn. Warn is a verb. If you warn someone, you tell the person about possible danger. A sign or signal can also warn. The sign warns us not to walk on the ice. Now you say the word. Warn. Warn.